Okay, let me install this plugin real fast. Install now. Are you struggling and getting this same error when you install your plugins on WordPress? The package could not be installed, no valid plugins were found. How to fix this? What does this mean? I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on CodeCanyon. So let me show you how to fix this issue. If you downloaded your plugin from Envato, from CodeCanyon, then I can help you, because in this case, the zip file you downloaded contains also the plugin's documentation. So if you open up your zip file and look inside the folder that you find inside the zip, you will find a help, a licensing, and another zip file that contains the actual installable plugin zip file. So let us extract this zip from the archive here and return, upload plugin, choose file, and if we install this zip file, then it will work. So this is the big zip file that contains also the documentation for the plugin, and this is the installable zip file which will work on your WordPress blog. So yeah, I hope this helps. And if you did not download your plugin from CodeCanyon and you are still getting this error, then you are trying to install an invalid plugin, and you should check with your plugin provider or with his support. Okay, so this is all. I hope this info helps. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more similar tutorials and news, and have a great day. Bye bye.